All right, it's summertime, which means new hairstyle. And what better way to start summer with a cute, curly hairstyle? Listen, this lace, the whole unit, the quality of the hair, the softness, it's just giving. So definitely keep on watching to see all the details of this wig. So this video is in collaboration with Wiggins Hair, and I actually tried a Wiggins unit out in the past, and honestly, girl, I've always kept my eyes on this company because I know that they have like good units with great quality hair, and the units are affordable. As you can see, they have multiple styles for every occasion, so definitely check out the link in my description box if you want to see their range of hairstyles, units, and all of that. So anyways, I got some goodies in my box, which I always appreciate, and a silk bag, which is great to store my unit. And this is the unit. Girl, this hairline, let me zoom in for a second because it is giving. I love this transparent HD lace, and the hairline comes in pre-plucked, so this is ready to go. You can literally put this on your head like this and you're good to go. Those type of units I love because it's super beginner friendly, right? Anyone can wear this straight out of the box. But me personally, when it comes to curly units, I always like to give them a little wash first because I like to make the curls pop with my own hair products. So yeah, just giving it a quick shampoo, and then I'm gonna do like a quick hair mask, let that sink in for a second, and then I'm good to go. But honestly, when I washed the hair with shampoo, the hair was so soft and already like fully detangled. I actually didn't even need to put in a hair mask because this hair was just thriving. It was super soft and it was cooperating. It didn't tangle at all. I did have some shed hairs here and there, but that's completely normal, especially with curly hair. But girl, like combing this hair was just in 10 seconds, not even 10 seconds. The tangles melted away like butter with the shampoo even. Imagine what it did with this hair mask in it. So yeah, I really appreciate that. I really appreciate having good quality curly hair, but for a reasonable price. Reasonable, girl, this unit is affordable. So yeah, it's definitely worth it. Anyways, here is the lace again. Like I'm just obsessed with this lace because it looks so natural. It's super thin, and yeah, it's very natural looking. So now it's time to style this unit, and I'm just gonna use some styling gel, some curl styling gel in this unit, and I don't need more than that because this hair doesn't need a lot to make the curls pop, right? I just put some gel in this hair, then I used my Tangle Teaser to define the curls. Even though the curls were already defined, as you can see, I still wanted to have like the super pop-in curly look. And yeah, then I just let it air dry. So it's a few hours later, and this is how the hair is looking right now. The curls are 100% dry, the hair is soft, love it. Oof, the cut is giving. And this is the inside of the cap. The knots are slightly bleached, which is also a good thing. And I'm just gonna put it on right now because this unit is good to go. Honestly, I can just put it on and go out the door. I'm about to show you in real time how long it takes to install this unit. Literally like 30 seconds or something like that. And I'm just like acting real slow right now. I can do it even faster, but it's just so easy to put on. And don't mind my daughter in the back. She's like watching me all the time. Anyways, so I just took the straps, I adjusted the elastic band in the back, and that's it. Girl, the unit is on. And I'm like, done. Wait, what? So that's what I mean with this is extremely beginner friendly. Anyone can put this on and go out the door, and you don't need to go to a salon anymore nowadays because you got units like these. They got you covered, okay? As you can see, 100% glueless, safe for your edges, especially, you know, in the summer. If you're sweating, you don't need to worry about flakes and stuff. You can just easily put this on and off and you're good to go. Like, there's not a more convenient hairstyle than a glueless curly unit, girl. And I also love the length of this unit. This cut is perfect for summer. It's not too long because, you know, long curly hair tends to be a bit hot, especially with those summer days. But this, girl, it's the perfect length. So shout out to Wiggins Hair. So definitely check out the links in my description box. It will direct you to the exact unit that I'm wearing. And thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.